This is section 4.5, practice C, number 11, dealing with rationalizing denominators. So I have 3 minus radical 7 divided by 5 plus 2 radical 7. So I need to rationalize it. And since my denominator is a binomial, I need to multiply by the conjugate. So I'm going to multiply the bottom by the conjugate, which would be 5 minus 2 radical 7. Whoops, 2 radical 7. Since I can only multiply something by 1 in order to make it equivalent to itself, I'm going to put that on the numerator of 2. 5 minus 2 radical 7. Having a hard time writing this afternoon. 5 minus 2 radical 7. Now I'm going to multiply it out. Well, I know that my bottom is going to take, my denominator is going to take the form of a squared minus b squared. So my denominator is going to be 25 minus 4, which is the 2 part of this squared, times 7, which is the radical 7 part of this squared. My numerator, I'm going to have to FOIL that out. So I'm going to have 15, that's my 3 times the 5, and then my outer is going to be minus 6 radical 7, and my inner is going to be minus 5 radical 7, and then my outer, is going to be plus 2 times 7, because radical 7 times radical 7 is going to be equal to 7. Well, let's see if we can't simplify that just a little bit, huh? So I have 15 minus, well, I have 6 radical 7s and 5 radical 7s, both negative, so minus 11 radical 7 plus 14. And that's over 25 minus 28. So I can simplify a little bit more. That's the same thing as 29 minus 11 radical 7 over negative 3. And since I don't like the negative signs in the denominator usually, I'll just change this. I'll multiply the top and the bottom by negative 1 over negative 1. And I will have negative 29 plus 11 radical 7 over 3. Or I could have just written it negative 29 minus 11 radical 7 over 3. I think any of those would do just fine. Checking in the back, that is in fact the answer to this question.